I know. Me alone. You just knock yourself out. Oh, a camper. Get it. Go. She's got her limit. She will not get around high voltage. Hold these two wires while I'm putting this starter in. Won't go in. Why do you know this? Yeah. Is your wife my wonder?
I try to, but
I'll be there.
and the reason I'm here is that's a Herald engine.
Oh, okay. I knew there had to be some kind of British connection, right? Yeah, I remember seeing one of these when I was a kid.
Dollies that they sat the bodies on and they rolled them around and worked on.
Worked on.
I'll be there.
Where were they made?
Berlin.
Okay. Wow.
Dad bought it in '71 out of a junkyard. $100. Looks good. Everybody asks me what it's worth. I think the last time we had it appraised it was around 55, but I just tell people 65,000. So.
I would just think there's so few of them that it'd be hard to put a value on it.
Yeah, do you know how to swim?
Yes. Yeah, those YMCA swim lessons come in handy from time to time. Dad would have a great time with this. He was into wood boats.
Well, Chris Craft.
Lyman.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He finally sold. He had a 22-foot and a 14-foot. And I remember some club. Paddling, pedaling.
It's a great bike path, I'll tell you. Probably right. Well, you can go to the Xenia Trail.
Yeah.
You can go north to Urbana, which is about 35 miles, and you can go south to Cincinnati on the Xenia Trail.
Yeah, yesterday we drove up to just north of Dayton and rode up to Pickla on a bike trail like that. I've never been up there before.
Yeah, I've ridden on the Xenia.
The Great
Xenia
Miami River
Trail.
Trail. This is all. It does. You have gaskets around here that.
Obviously.
I mean, what is it?
Everybody freaks out when you shut it off. Because it really doesn't need to be propelled. It floats on its own.
Speaking of.
That is cool.
So 3,500 they sold.
We think there's maybe 600 left, 650.
Is that 3,500 worldwide?
Yes. There's only 20 left in Europe. The rest are in the U.S. Well, they get
time you licensed this with the
Oh, it was terrible.
state.
It was terrible. Luckily, I had a friend